Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is K-Steph. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. And if I return subscriber, thank you so much for still sticking around with me, your girl. So guys, today I'll be showing you my behind scene, how I film my YouTube video in my bedroom. Guys, if you are living in Europe, Germany to be precise, you guys know how accommodation is here in Germany, where I recently live now. Guys, that is another video for another day with space and accommodation in this country, and it's expensive. Guys, it's really expensive. So guys, let me just jump into today's video. I'll be sharing with you today how I set up my small YouTube studio in my bedroom, and I'll be showing you everything that I'm using on my channel: my camera, tripod, light, my monitor, my lenses, everything, microphone, everything that I'm using on my channel. I will let you guys see. I'm gonna be sharing with you everything that I'm using on my channel with you guys. And if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. So guys, I'll be filming with my iPhone and also my camera. So if I'm sitting down here, I'll be using my camera, and if I want to take you around, like showing you what I'm using, my other things that I would like to show you, I'll be using my phone. Later I'll put them together when I'm about to edit. That is my bed, and here I have my side bed light. Yeah, I have my water right there, my key, my Samsung phone, my earpiece, my glasses, and that's my mini Steph saying hello to you guys. Yeah, this is where I charge my phone. Sometimes if I'm sleeping and my phone is down and I want to charge my phone or do something on my phone, I just plug my charger right there. So let's move to this side of where I film my videos. So here you have my studio. This is my studio, guys. So let's start with camera. So guys, the first camera that I want to share with you is my M50 EOS M50. So guys, this is my first camera. I barely use this camera. I can count, I think I used this camera just 2 times. I don't know why I've not been using this camera. And if you want to start up buying camera for your YouTube channel, I think this is camera that you really want to get your hand on. It's very inexpensive, and the quality of video of this camera is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. If you really want to get what I'm trying to say, just Google this camera. You don't have to Google this camera. You can check this camera out here on YouTube, Canon M50. You're going to see a lot of review about this camera. It's very inexpensive, and it's going to basically do what the camera I'm using right now is going to do. And yeah, and if you cannot afford to buy like a monitor, this right here is going to be your monitor. But if you use this as your monitor, you just want to try as much as possible to be looking into your lens if you are filming, because you want to connect with your audience while filming. You understand what I mean? So yes, this is the camera that I first got before I got the one that I'm using right now to film with you guys. Then I get myself this lens, and most time if I'm doing my makeup videos, this is the lens I will pair with the camera that I'm using right now. And this one is Yongnuo. I hope I'm pronouncing the name very well. Yongnuo digital 50mm lens, and this is what she looks like. So guys, if I'm using this my Yongnuo 50mm lens, I usually mount it with this adapter like so before I connect it with the camera that I'm using right now. So guys, I have another 50mm lens. I got this one from Nigeria. So guys, the reason why I got another 50mm lens is because this one, the Canon one, anytime I mount it with my camera, it's always giving me this annoying noise, like whoo, you know. It's just so annoying. And these lenses are very inexpensive. I can't really remember how much I got them on Amazon. I got them all on Amazon. Everything that I'm using here, all the I'm just going to be carrying you guys along. So I got this one from Amazon. I got the mount also from Amazon, the lens also from Amazon. Everything you are seeing here right now, guys, I got them all from Amazon. And for my memory card, I have here SanDisk Extreme Pro 64 GB. So this is it. I also have another one, the one of 128 GB is also from SanDisk. It's the one that I'm filming with right now. So I have two memory cards. Then I also have two remotes here if I want to use any of these remotes, you know, to take a picture or to film a video if I don't want to stand up, or use my monitor to film video. I actually use one, but I have to. I think they both came with my ring light, so that's why I have to, because I have two ring lights. So yes, I'm just going to put them back. So guys, I also got my microphone also from Amazon. So the name of my microphone is Boya microphone, and it has 3 switches. If you switch it up, it's going to be on camera. If you switch it down, it's for phone, and if you switch it to the middle, you are basically turning it off. So that is my microphone. I also got my microphone on Amazon. So this tripod right here, I got it also from Amazon. This is like a vlogging tripod, and if I want to take picture also, I use this tripod also to take some pictures. Yes. So guys, I've switched now to my phone. Hi. So this here is my laptop. This is what I use as my monitor to monitor my videos when I'm filming with my camera. So here is my laptop, and yeah, let me just stand up and show you guys around. All my lights at the back, and the camera that I'm using present now, so you guys, I can tell you the name of the camera and the lens I'm using with it. So let's get right there. So guys, usually when I finish filming my videos, I usually bring all my camera, all the gadgets, only my camera and my microphone. This is where I put them, right in here. Then I cover it back. Like I said earlier, guys, I'm using my bedroom, so I don't have enough space for that. And if you are into beauty, makeup, like you are doing beauty tutorial like makeup and stuff like that, you really need this reflector. I got this reflector from Nigeria. I brought it from Nigeria, and I've been using it now. I cannot even remember. In here I have where I write things down. If I don't want to forget something I want to talk about in my videos, I just write them down here and I put it beside me when I sit down for my videos. So guys, this chair right here, I got it from IKEA. Actually, I didn't get this chair for my YouTube, but the one that I'm using before, I'm still using it anyway. It's a little bit too long at the back, so people are seeing the edge of the chair at the back, so I don't really like it. So that's why I switched to this one at the moment. So yeah, moving on, this is the first ring light that I got from Amazon. I got it on Amazon. This is my first ring light. Now I'm using it as my backlight. I just put it at the back of my chair when I'm recording. Then there you have the extension box where I plug my laptop and the ring light, and I plug whatever I need to plug, you know, before I start filming. So here today I have my disco lights, and this table here I got it from Woodward, yeah, from here in Germany. I got it from Woodward, and this deco also here is also from Woodward. I just put them together. Sometimes I use flower. You guys have seen different background on my videos, so I actually filmed a video today. That is why you are seeing this background today. So if I knew that I'm going to be doing this video today, I might not put this one here. It's because I filmed a video already, and I really don't like when my background is too plain. So yeah, that is it. So here guys, on this rack, anytime I'm filming a video, beauty tutorial or filming any beauty tutorial, I just bring out all the products I need to use. I put it here. Like I said earlier, I've already filmed a video today, and this is what I use. I've not put them back, so that is why they are here. I put them on this tray, on this rack, then I put it beside my seat. So anytime I want to pick up any product, so This is where I put them. Then here I have my brushes. This one has already been used. Don't judge me. I used them today and I'm still going to wash them before I go to bed later in the day. So these are my brushes, the one I've not used, the one I have here, my blending brushes, and yeah, my beauty blender, stuff like that. So yes, so this is the first light I want to share with you. They are from Neewer. So I can use battery and I can also plug it direct. So today I plug it direct to the light because this is my third video today. So yes, so if I want to use the battery, I will just put it here. I don't know how long the battery is going to last, but the battery lasts very long time before it go off, especially if you are not living in a country that light is very regular. Like for instance, you guys know I'm from Nigeria, so if I'm not from Nigeria, the battery is going to last for a long time before it goes off. I've tried it once, but because I have a lot of video to film today, that's why I decided to plug it into the light instead of me using the battery. So yes, I have it too. So this is the first one right here, and that is the second one. And this diffuser also, I got it separately. It's also from Amazon. I got this diffuser also on Amazon. So this is what she looks like. So moving on to my ring light. So guys, this is my front ring light. This is the ring light that I'm using in the front, and this one also from, let me turn it off so that I won't be blinding you guys. So guys, this is the ring light and it's also from a Neewer company, and guys, it's 18 inches ring light. So this is the camera I'm using presently, and this one is EOS M6 Mark II, and this can record 4K videos. I've used this camera to record 4K videos, but the downside on this camera is if you use it to record 4K videos, it's going to go off no time. Like after 1 hour, it will be overheating. You have to wait for another 30 or 15 minutes before you can continue using the camera. So guys, I decided not to film with it again, like with 4K videos. Now I'm using my 180p, I guess that is what it's called. I mean the next quality to 4K, that is what I'm using now to film my videos. So the lens I'm using with it is my Sigma 30 mm 1.4D CDL. You guys can see the name right there, guys. Like I said, I don't really know much about tech. All the things that I'm using on my channel, I check them out on YouTube. So yeah, if you really want to know much about what you want to be using or the camera you want to buy, just go ahead and check. Everything you are looking for is on YouTube, guys. Everything is on YouTube. So, and the tripod that I'm using with this camera, I also got it from YouTube. I also got it on Amazon. So everything here, they are from Amazon, IKEA, and yeah, just Amazon. Everything I got from my YouTube, they are all from Amazon. Apart from the furniture are from IKEA. So every other thing are from Amazon. Yeah, and the ring light that I'm using, I mean my back light ring light is 14 inches, while the front ring light is 18 inches. But believe me guys, the back ring light is more powerful than the 18 inches ring light, guys. You cannot believe it. So guys, that's concludes today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. Yes, it's free of charge. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in my next one, and if you want to see my face right now, click on any of these two videos right here to see my face right now. And if you are new here, you don't know how to subscribe, you are new to YouTube, which I know is not possible, you can just click on this face right here to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.